Okay, so my mother wants me to get this house.
Everything is dipped in gold. Then baby, it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated.
How many bedrooms is there?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm gonna get out.
My apologies for the excessive amount of smacking. I was irritated. I hope you guys can continue to watch the video without getting too annoyed. Again, I apologize. And I will also let you know, you're never going to want to hear the word nice after this video. I'm sorry, guys. I couldn't help myself. Oh, let's look at this house, y'all. Let's see. She don't know where she want me to go or move. It's crazy. Talking about this one for her. Girl. Okay. It's nice. I don't like this not fenced all the way in. It's just like open. Okay. Let's go around the side. They make all the houses around here the same, y'all. Saying they make all the houses around here the same. The basement look finished. What they say when you call? What did they say when you called? Okay, that's it, y'all. I can give y'all a nice glimpse of the front. This looks just like, it looks just like my uncle's house. Like literally all of these houses look the same. Really, basically. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so when you come in, you got your closet right there with some mirrored doors. Looks really good. And you can't go wrong with looking at your stuff as soon as you come in or as soon as you leave out. You turn this way, you got 4 little steps into what I would make a freaking living room, or I don't know. What would you guys make this room? Really, really nice. This is nice. And then we're gonna go this way. This can be a kitchen. I mean, a kitchen or sitting area, because the kitchen is like, I guess you would call this open space concept. Like something like I have, but mine is really weird. It has no disconnect. So we could also sit, you know, a dining room table over here. You know, this area seems to be like more so for a dining room table, and then could put like, you know, the stools right there. That'd be so cute. I love the stove top. This is nice. This is really nice. The cabinets, the recessed lighting. This is really nice. Dishwasher, okay. And then you go, I don't know, I don't know, what do you guys think? Would you make this area the, you know, dining area, like where the kitchen table goes and everything, or that area over there? It's a lot of room. And you walk down these 3 little steps here, and you meet the back door. Nice. I showed you guys outside already, so. Okay. I would definitely make this a sitting room, just because of this area right here. I'll make this a sitting room. Yeah, this is nice. I hope you guys can get the visual of all the rooms. Let me kind of, it's a nice big space too. So there's a little hallway right here. And this is the basement. I do feel like this is a better space for my mother because it's too small for me and my little family. It's really dark back there. There's nothing back there. I'm not going back there. And this is like the furnace, like washing area. This is the washer and dryer. Keep stuff down here like for storage. It's really nice. It's spacious back there. But this will be a nice hangout spot. Definitely the perfect size for a hangout spot.
Mama, that crawl space is scarier than a crawl space out here.
What crawl space?
You ain't even look at the crawl space. It's perfect.
I'm coming. So this room is nice. Okay. All right, what's this? Oh no. So this is the garage. Okay. Freezing. So this room would have to be for royalty, right? If I was gonna stay here. Closet. I legit don't know what this would be. A sitting room, a computer room, because it's right by the garage. And I would not put my kids in this room. Like, I would not put either one of my little best friends in this room because that's scary. Anyway, half bath. Really cute. Really cute. And then let's go this way. Up the stairs. All right. What'd you say? Oh. Ooh. This is nice. Okay. This is nice. I like this. Oh, now this? Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Uh-huh. Now this is my favorite spot because the toilet has its own space. It is not by the tub and it is not by the sink. I love it. I love it. Very spacious. Spacious. Closet. Okay. And then you can, I forgot these are called Jack and Jill doors. I don't know, but it goes into this room. This room is a nice size. It's like maybe a little bit bigger than my room. I think it's the same size as my room, but Coco, the lighting. Come show the lighting. So this is nice. This ceiling fan. This is so cute. And it changes. Oh, look at that. That is so nice. Maybe I'm being dramatic. I don't know. But it's cute to me. I haven't seen one of these before.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there.
That's nice. Okay. Let's go.
What other functions do it have?
You see, it's changed.
Okay, we're gonna go to the next room. Excuse me, ma'am.
Mama, you didn't even.
You didn't see that.
Oh.
You go studio light. You do it nighttime. You do it daytime. I don't know what that one does. You could put it on for 2 hours and it'll turn off.
And did you see that it connects the bathroom from the bedroom?
Oh, I didn't.
You go around there.
Oh, no, I did the doors, yeah. Jack and Jill doors or something. Oh, this is nice. This room looks really big, too.
This is the coldest bedroom. It's called easy.
My TV will go on this wall. My bed will be on this side. You go down the middle. I have TV and a dresser.
And then that's the guest room right there.
Already planned out.
Nice little neighborhood. Okay. Let me see the other one.
Well, let's start off by looking in the closet. Let's step in and just look back to the back. Yeah.
What is that? What is that, some steps?
No, it's crawl space.
Let me see your phone.
They gotta close that up. That's what how they was insulating it.
Look, after I see that, I don't wanna, I would think somebody in here.
You're right.
She's all spooked.
I seen a movie like that. They was hiding in a crawl space.
That's why I was scared of the basement, because, like, all that space back there.
Okay,
That's
this
a
is
long
cute.
space. Your granny needs
And so,
space.
technically they have how many?
3 bedrooms.
3 bed. Yeah, this is way too
Full
small.
basement.
Way too small for us. This house is cute, but I don't think I would ever find a house out here for me and my family because they're too small. So we just have to keep searching, you know? Yeah. This is cute.
We didn't turn the lights on upstairs, did we?
I don't think so. The bathroom light.
I'm going to turn back on the
Why I gotta do it? Anyway, I think, did he? Oh, making me do something. Okay, so I think this house might be haunted because we didn't close that door and that door is closed now. I'm gonna get up out of here and yeah. This is so, look at this. This is the biggest one they have. This is so nice, y'all. Ooh, look. Look at that. Oh, look. Look at that. It's a closet in there.
Work my way up all the way.
This is nice.
I think this one's at 39.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
Oh, yeah? Well, we can always go up.
That's nice. This is nice, y'all. Look at this. This is nice. Oh. Y'all look.
And then this can actually fold out like a chase lounge.
Oh, this is nice.
So it goes like that, and then
Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy.
there's one of those.
Does it cost a lot to like upkeep one of these?
Not necessarily. The biggest thing is you'd want to winterize it in the winter,
Okay.
unless you travel south, which is inexpensive actually. They have YouTube videos on how to do that. And then every service will tell you every year that you want to check the roof for sealing.
Okay.
So there's caulking around all, like the air conditioners,
Okay.
you know, the antenna, the solar. This can have solar on board. It's wired for it. It just doesn't have it.
Okay.
But there's an air conditioner in here as well as in here. And then that's all vented all the way through back there, so you can see these vents. So that's vented all the way through to that other bedroom. And then this actually would have,
Like it.
This is nice. It's real nice.
so this is a storage closet,
Okay.
but it has a washer dryer hookups.
Oh.
So I could actually use a stackable
That-
washer dryer
yes.
on here. Or I can access this and use it, you know, from the outside
That's
for
so nice.
storage, right?
That's nice.
And then I have TV, you know, TV connections here with dresser stuff, but then having this huge closet here,
This is really nice.
bedroom.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I won't
Well,
record.
she might want you in there.
No me and camera.
I never record people because you know people don't like cameras and stuff. This is so nice. Recliners. Did you look at the background? Look at this, y'all. This is so nice. This is really freaking nice. Windows. Oh, Let's go up the stairs.
I have a split awning. So even though this is a slide out,
That's a big one. Look at that, y'all. Oh my freaking God. Y'all, I need one of these. Yes. Double sinks. Yes. This is nice. Look at this, y'all. This is so dope. And I guess this is another washing machine and dryer connection. Slash, what is that? A space where you can put your storage. This is dope. Look how high the ceilings are. Oh, this is nice.
this one.
Oh, this
It's
is
the
nice.
whole
Oh
front
my
living.
gosh. I think that's dope how it's sitting up like this.
And then both of those are trifold sofas. So for the kids, you could have 6 kids in this space.
They have an island.
Yep.
This is nice.
And then in this one, I have a huge pantry area,
Oh yeah.
right? In the Brookstone, I have a half a bath here. So I have a toilet and vanity here, as well as back there.
Wow.
Okay? So, again, for the kids.
Yeah, when my daughters, they come in handy. I won't be waiting for them. I can go back there.
Yes.
Look
Yes.
at
Because it takes
this.
so much time in that bathroom.
Right.
Look at this.
But if you have guests,
I'm in total
then
awe.
they can use this restroom and not have to go past your bathroom.
Look how big this bathroom is. Look how big this bathroom is. Like, this is listen, y'all, don't judge me. I'm in awe because I never thought about looking into one of these. Like, this stuff is so cool, bro. So nice. I'm about to look in this one next. So this is the next part y'all will see. That was these huge ones these are the huge ones we looked at. These are literally like apartments.
You know this a bed,
Oh, that's a bed?
Didn't I say? She didn't know that.
No, I didn't know that was a
No,
bed.
so that bed
Oh, that's
flips
dope.
down,
That's why I say.
but then you have all this for storage if I want to. So bikes, e-bikes, luggage,
Man.
coolers, and then I can strap them down if I needed to. So they're not going to move.
All sturdy, man.
Yeah.
Be all over the place.
And then I still have a hitch back here,
Uh-oh.
so I can actually pull a car 5,000 pounds worth.
If need be.
Yeah, if I need a car, a boat, motorcycles, whatever toys you want, right?
Can we check this one out? Or this can we look inside of here?
We had a kid break a mirror. In
Oh,
there
snap,
today.
yeah.
So I can open it up and let you peek in there, but
Awesome.
there's glass and stuff all over.
That's fine. I just want to actually just see what it looks like. I think this would be a good investment. So in this last clip, I just wanted to be nosy. I wanted to see what the inside of the camper looked like. It was really nice. It was very spacious as well. Honestly, I feel like these days it's hard to find an affordable home that fits a huge family. I have a huge family. There's 8 of us plus our dog. All of us as a unit, we want a house that has a finished basement. An attic would be a plus. 5 or 6 bedrooms, that would be great. Now, as far as the camper, we would also love this as well. We love being around each other. We all want to travel. It would work out for us. I don't know what we're going to do, but right now we're still looking. In the comments below, tell me what you would do and what you think I should do.